This review is of Taylor Farms Raspberry Crisp Salad Kit. It's spring mix, lightly sweetened cornbread, croutons, and roasted sunflower seeds with raspberry vinaigrette. Let's see. Oh my gosh. You know, for something that has so little in it, that ingredients list is insanely long, don't you think? And there are the nutrition facts. Alright, let me cut it open and get... Alright, so I've got all the greens, or leaves, since they're not all green. Arugula and different kinds of lettuce and spinach and stuff. Now let's get the croutons in there. I will also be adding some clover sprouts. And I've got pumpkin seeds, I guess that is. Or no, not pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. And there are the croutons, and there's the sauce. I'm not a big lover of raspberry vinaigrette. I think it's kind of overrated, but whatever. I'll probably have to take some lactose with the croutons, since they're undoubtedly prepared with butter. And here go the seeds. Get in there. Get in there, garbage. Alright. Here we go. Let's have a taste, shall we? Yep. Tastes like sour raspberry. Okay, and now just gotta stir it up, which is easier said than done, because you know salads were never really invented for stirring. It'd be a lot easier if I could like cover the bowl and then shake the bowl violently, and then the bowl would be just as covered with salad dressing as everything else, but at least it would be all nice and evenly covered with dressing. I'm really hoping that this is going to be good. Well, I didn't notice whether there were a lot of calories or not in the salad dressing. I hope not. All right. So if you want a sour raspberry vinaigrette, I think this is fine. If you're looking for a lot of sweetness, I would get a different brand, but this is perfectly fine. Hold on a second here. There are only about 15 grams of sugar in the salad. The whole thing, I mean. Let me see if I can get a crouton this time. The croutons seem to be fairly standard, but this is pretty good. I'm pleased that they didn't go overboard on the sugar, because you know a lot of times, in an effort to make more people addicted to it or be more excited by vinaigrettes, which are not typically the most favorite of dressings, they'll add a lot of sugar, which means you get a lot of carbs and calories. And that actually, I discovered, I went on a salad lunch diet kind of thing, as part of my effort to lose some of the weight I'd gained after moving back from Indonesia. I discovered that, well, I would do it in wraps, okay, tortilla wraps, flour-based tortilla wraps, and I discovered that it was pretty hard to lose any significant amount of weight eating these wraps with salad dressing on them. But when I just had a nice pleasant mixture of vegetables in there, that with the wrap it tasted good, it didn't need any dressing, and that's when I started losing weight. So this is a good choice. I wish I had some wraps right now, but unfortunately, nope, I don't have it right now. Otherwise I'd be putting this in a wrap to enjoy. I give it a 7. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.